Hello, good day everyone. So in this video I'll show you how to install Python and also install Visual Studio Code. So we'll install them and would also use them. So in the lesson notes I added, you'll see the direct links to download the files. So this is Python, and let me get the Visual Studio Code installer too. Give me a second. Why that one is downloading? Okay, that one is done. So I'll download that. I'll also download the Visual Studio Code. Okay. So you find the links in the lesson notes on Notion. And that's the second one downloading. So I just go to my downloads folder and I should see the files there. So while the VS Code is downloaded, let's install Python. So once you have the Python file, you click on Python, click on it, double click it. Make sure you select this and also this before clicking on install now. So you give it a few seconds to install. Okay, so setup was successful. Now we'll go to the VS Code setup.